Your car's oxygen sensor measures how much oxygen is in the exhaust gases and sends that information to the ECU. The ECU uses this data to adjust the air-fuel ratio in real time. When the sensor is working properly, you get better fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and lower emissions. But when the sensor gets dirty or clogged with carbon, it starts sending incorrect readings. That throws off the fuel mixture and can cause poor gas mileage, rough idling, slow throttle response, and over time, even damage the catalytic converter, which can cost anywhere from $400 to over $2,000 to replace. That's why keeping your oxygen sensor clean is one of the easiest ways to protect your engine and save money. Now let's start with the first method. This method uses a fuel system cleaner that's labeled oxygen sensor safe. Simply pour it into your fuel tank, preferably when the tank is about 1/4 full. Then drive the car for 20 to 30 minutes, keeping the RPM between 2,000 and 3,000. This allows the cleaner to move through the combustion process, slowly breaking down carbon deposits that affect the oxygen sensor. Just keep in mind, this method is easy but slow. It can take a few fuel tanks before you notice real improvement. It's great for maintenance, but if the sensor is heavily coated with carbon, you'll need something stronger. Now let's move to the second method, and this one is the most effective. This is called the vacuum line cleaning method. It works best on the upstream oxygen sensor, the one located before the catalytic converter. And the best part is, you still don't need to remove the sensor. For this method, you'll need an oxygen sensor safe carb or intake cleaner, a vacuum hose connected to the intake manifold, a straw nozzle, and about 15 minutes of your time. First, locate a small vacuum hose on the intake and carefully disconnect it. Insert the straw into the hose, then reconnect the hose so the straw stays in place. Attach the spray nozzle to the exposed end of the straw. Next, start the engine and let it warm up fully. Once it's warm, hold the RPM around 2,000 to keep the engine running smoothly. Now, spray short bursts of cleaner through the vacuum line for about 30 seconds at a time. Pause between sprays and continue until you've used roughly half the can. Go slowly. Spraying too much at once can stall the engine. After that, rev the engine a few times. The heat from combustion helps burn away carbon deposits on the oxygen sensor. Turn the engine off and let everything cool completely. Once cooled, you'll see the result. A cleaner, brighter oxygen sensor with the carbon buildup gone. No scrubbing, no soaking. Just the engine and the right cleaner doing the work. Now keep in mind, cleaning will not fix a sensor that's damaged, cracked, or contaminated with oil or coolant. In those cases, replacement is the only option. So here's a quick recap. Use a fuel additive for light buildup and regular maintenance. Use the vacuum line method for heavily clogged oxygen sensors. And both methods work without removing the sensor. To confirm the cleaning worked, clear the check engine light with an OBD2 scanner and drive the car. If the light stays off and performance improves, the sensor is working properly again. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.